Good morning to my SouFLoTv audience, the people who are productive and progressive. Welcome to 2018. This is our first official video on SouFLoTv for 2018. We're not going to talk about anything disheartening or any breaking news topics or any crime, violence, none of that stuff. This is a short video to say something to some of the people who need to hear this. Okay? Check it. It's 2018. New year. New slate. I know every single year we say the same thing. Those of us who are lucky enough to make it into a new year say the same thing. We start out with New Year resolution, and then we talk about all our plans we have, and we feel pressured into fulfilling all these things. I personally don't set resolutions, right? As the year go by, I set small goals, and I work to meet those small, realistic goals. In other words, then, I don't tell myself, say by December, I want $10 million in the bank and a mansion and 2 brand new vehicles parked up in a driveway, and I don't set unrealistic goals. I'm very realistic with my goals, right? So be very realistic with your goals. This is what I want a lot of y'all to do, though, because a lot of people ended the year with broken hearts, stuck in relationships that are probably abusive, or in relationships where the person that you're with means you no good, right? Or probably love themselves way more than they love you, and you're just there for benefits. So here's what I want you to do. To start out this year, I want you to focus on you. Focus on loving yourself. Don't love anybody else more than how you love yourself. Don't love anybody else more than how you love yourself. Here's the reason why. Until you can love yourself unconditionally, wholly, solely, you can't love nobody else. If you don't understand self-love 100%, you cannot love anybody else. You cannot give love to anybody else. You can like people a lot. You can have a little bit of something will look like or feel like love, but understanding self-love, loving you, respecting you, building you up, right? And then saying, yes, man, see me out. I love everything about me. I love the direction I'm going in. I love the fact I'm able to make positive decisions over negative decisions. I love the fact that I'm able to sidestep all the drama. I love the fact that I'm able to sidestep all the he said, she said. I love the fact that I'm able to be on a progressive route, even though there's so much distractions around me that I can easily get caught up in. I love the fact that I'm not taking any shortcuts. I'm grinding it out on my way to my victory. Love every single thing about you. Love your journey. Love your progress. Right? When you make progress. Right? Even celebrate you. Celebrate every little step forward that you make. Right? Appreciate every moment that you're given in this life for this year. That's what we are talking about. Now I see some things that fall from the sky in front of me for my vehicle that look like ice. That's to show you how cold it is out here this morning. And yes, it is ice. Anyway, hear me I say, love yourself. Love yourself. Love yourself more than anybody else. And treat, you see that whole treat others like you want to be treated? Not really. Treat others how they treat you. You hear me? Treat others how they treat you, because you have some people out there where treat you like dog, and you over there treating them like how you want to be treated. Don't do it to yourself. It's 2018. We need to stop holding on to all these cliches. Like Cartel say, him don't know who say, keep your friends close but your enemies closer. No, me not keep my enemy them close to me. A Ross. Especially not even closer than my friends. That don't make no sense. But old wives' tales, old cliche sayings. Hear me out, someone. This year is the right time right now in January to start out focusing on you. Alright? For some of you, get pen and paper if your list too long. I would advise you not to make your list too long. But get pen and paper and write down those things. Love me. Respect me. Build me up first. You see, once you start to do that, you're going to realize, some of you are going to realize that this is not who I want to be with though. I feel like shit. This person makes me feel like shit every day. Even when me I bend backwards for them. Right? It's just a message this morning for some people out there. Big up on yourself, man. And for those of you who found yourself in a happy, loving relationship and everything is good for you this morning, continue on your journey. Continue doing all the things that you've been doing to make it that way. Right? A progress we had to deal with for 2018, you know. Nothing else. Last year, 2017, we said progress. This year, 2018, the slogan is more progress. I have some nice videos coming for y'all, and we're going to talk about some very progressive and productive things later on today. As you can see, I am right in front of my job, and I'm about to go inside and get my daily bread. All right? Feed me, pick me them. I'm out. It's SouFLoTv. Peace.